at this. Look at this stuff right here. It's raining. Happy Saturday afternoon. It's 2:30. Just pulled up in the gym. I worked night shift last night. For 2 weeks I've been working night shift, and it's over for a while. I go back to day shift. And I got home about 2:30 last night in the morning. Didn't get to sleep till 4. Woke up at about 12:30, and I'm at the gym now, 2:30. So, better late than never. It's raining outside, but I'm here. I'm here, damn it. Okay, let me weigh myself. I'm here at the gym. You shouldn't weigh yourself all the time, but I do. All right, so let's look at the scale. 152. It was 150 the other day, now I'm 152. It's the same thing, my weight fluctuates, so I don't know. Maybe I ate, I did eat. So I'm probably like 150.
When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, she gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, bro. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga not your bitch. Nigga not your hoe, think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0 twin. Bitch, I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right. I'm so having sex. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. If post it up, we be alright. See, I gon' tweet and I'm gon' fight facts. Yeah, these hoes sweet as apple pie. Ain't got no car, so hoes be right. But bro say I can't even do that. Why? How? When? Where? Just let me know how you wanna play it, bitch, you know I'm there. If it was smoke, then I would say it, bitch, I'm crystal clear. Left my pennies at his mansion like a souvenir. When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga not your bitch. Nigga not your hoe, think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0 twin. Missus can't be fucked with, hoes ain't talking about nothing. Every time I look up, I'm the topic of discussion. I'm in a fast coupe, you in a bad mood. Funky bitch, you love your pussy in the bathroom. Ew. You gon' meet him halfway, I'm gon' meet him at the bank. I'm the type to make him wait, you the type to give it up. It's hard for me to give a fuck, you gon' let him plead his case. A bitch like me can't go for nothing. Know what's in my cup. When I leave the club, consider that nigga fuck. When you mention me, don't forget rich and fuck. Pussy squeaky clean, but I got junk up in the trunk. When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss bitch, I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots, I burnt them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town, broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is, nigga not your bitch. Nigga not your hoe, think he got one up on me, whole time this shit like 3 and 0 twin.
So you wanna roll with a good girl, do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
On my mind, I pass my bedtime, we're at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married.
I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah. This whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. I got big deals, I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. Just wanna stay all night, all night. Just wanna stay all night, all night. What you stay all night, all night. All I'm really asking for is you all night, all night. Just wanna stay all night, all night. What you stay all night, all night. Long as you know who you belong to.
Took off my weight belt and my sweat belt. My workout is finished. Felt like torture. Look at this. Look at outside. I got a whole 4 bags of groceries and a gym bag. I gotta take this stuff into my house. Now I just did a whole workout at a gym. And I don't want to take this stuff down the stairs into my home. 4 bags of groceries. I'm depleted. The rain makes me not want to do anything.